afternoon. Are you able to see my screen, ma? It is visible. Please respond anyone. Yes, very good. Okay. Uh, Two more topics are there. We will discuss. Then after we will practice the programs. Okay. I will activate the programs and please we will finish this jump statement. Okay. So there are three jump statements are there in CR C++. So one is a break statement. So the break statement can causes a loop to exit, means it is to terminate the loop. Okay. Generally the break statement is used in iterative loop control statements. What are the iterative loop control statements we have? Generally we have three loop control statements: while, do while and for loop. Okay. So we will use the break statement in these loop control statements to exit or to come out or to terminate the loop. Okay. The syntax of the break statement is here break is a keyword followed by a semicolon. This is the syntax for break statement. Okay. So I have written one example here. So here I am using the break statement in for loop. So I written some 3 lines of code. It is clear, ma? So I will explain the code in the next slide. Just see. So here I written one sample syntax. Here I am going to use a break statement in a for loop. Already I said the break statement is used in loop control statements. We have three loop control statements: while, do while and for loop. Now we are going to see how it is represented in loop control statements. Here I written for loop. Already we know the for loop contains three expressions: initialization, test condition and update statement. Within this for loop I written some statement, some conditional statement, selection statement means if statement, followed by break I written. Suppose let us assume that here the value is 3000 I given. The value, the variable value, if I give 3000, then here the condition will become true or false. If I give the value 3000, then the condition will become here true. Then in the if statement, if the condition is true, then the immediate statement will be executed. That is the scenario of if statement. Okay. If the condition is true, then immediately I return statement break. Okay. So break means it will come out of the loop statement. If it come out of the for loop. If the condition is true, then it come out of the loop, entire for loop. It is clear? Suppose if I give here 1000, the value of variable val equal to 1000, then in this case 1000 greater than 2000. In that case, that will true or false? False. Very good. Okay. So very good. So false means the immediate statements will be executed. Whenever it encounters the true value, then automatically it come out of the for loop. Okay. Nice. In the same way, I use the break statement in the do while also. Okay. Same here. If the condition, suppose if I give the 3000 value, 3000 greater than 2000. So condition is true. So condition is true means in if statement, it will execute the immediate statement. But here the immediate statement will be break. Break means it will come out of the control come out of the do while loop. It will not execute the remaining statement after the break. Okay, it is clear? It will not go to the conditional section also. It is clear, ma? Very good, very good. In the same way, we can also use the break statement in while also. Same. If I give the 1000 value, if I give the value of a variable 1000, then in that case condition is false, then it will execute the statement 2. If I give the value 3000, condition is true, in that case it will come out of the while loop. Are you understanding? To exit or to terminate, we should have to use the break statement. So generally it is used in loop control statements to exit to come out of the loop. So in three different loop statements I represented break. Okay, clear? Now we will see one example program, okay, using break. So here I written one code. I use the break statement in a while. So what is the working principle of while? But first one is the initialization. We should have to initialize the loop control variable. Then test the condition. If the condition is to execute the body of the loop. After update the variable. Fourth one is the again check the condition. Okay, there are 4 steps are there. Already I said we discussed in the last week. Okay, in the last class. So same way here I declared one loop control variable I, initialized with 0. The second step I am checking the condition. 0 less than 15. Condition is true. If the condition is true, then enter into a loop. Okay. Here I written 0 double equal to 6. Here I am comparing two values 0 and 6. Both are equal or not? It will give true or false. 0 double equal to 6. False. Very good. False means condition is false means we will not execute this statement. We will skip the if loop, then this will be executed. Cout I. Cout I means what is I value initially? 0. 0 will be printed. Slash n means new line. The controller wait in the new line. Okay. Then after executing body of the while loop, then we shall have to update the variable value. I equal I plus plus. I equal I plus 2. I incremented I value by 2. So what is I value now? I equal to initially I value will be 0. Very good. Aditya, very good. I equal I plus 2 means 2. So again, after execution of this last statement, the control go back to the condition section. After execution of the last state in the body of the loop, the control will go back to the condition section. Here the updated value of I is 2. Again check the condition. 2 less than 15. Condition is true. Then enter into a loop. Very good. Then here 2 double equal to 6 means condition is false. Very good. False. False means we will not break. Here we will execute the cout. Cout I. What is the updated value of I? 2. 2 will be printed. All of you observe the PPT. Here written code and output also. Here I value will be 2. Next. When the break statement will be executed? Can anyone guess? When the break statement will be executed? For I equal to 6. Very good. So very good. So next again increment by 2. So now I equal to I plus 2 means previously I value will 2. 2 plus 2 4. Again go to the while 4 less than 15 condition is true. 4 double equal to 6. Here also comparison 4 double equal to 6. Here condition is false. Then print the I value 4. Okay, again increment I equal to I plus 2. So 4 plus 2 6. Go to the again condition section. 6 less than or equal to 15. Condition true. Here enter into a loop. 6 double equal to 6. Here condition is true. 6 equal to 6 true means what is the immediate statement after if? Break. Break means it terminate the while loop. Come out of this while loop. So after this while I return one statement. Cout outside of the loop. So that statement will be printed. It is clear? For terminating a loop statement we will use the break. Understood? It is clear? Okay, very good. Can I go to next slide? So same here I written flowchart also for this program. Initialization and check the condition, while condition. The while condition is true. The while condition is true and within a while I written if statement. Okay. The condition is true in while statement. Again enter into a if statement. If I double equal to 6. Increment the I value. If I double equal to 6 false means again loop will be continued. Okay, this is a flow chart. It is clear all of you? break. Okay, next we will go to the continuous statement. Generally the continuous statement is used to skip the current iteration, means that is used to go to the next iteration. Okay, in the previous case, in the break is used to come out of the loop generally, but here the continuous statement is used to go to the next iteration. Okay, this is the opposite of the break. Okay, so whenever it is encountered, it skip the rest of the statements. This is a simple program I written. I will explain the code in the next slide. Okay, the syntax of this continuous statement is generally continue is a keyword followed by a semicolon. So continuous statement will be represented the keyword continue followed by a semicolon. This is used to repeat the iterations. To go to the next iteration, we should have to use the continue. It skips the rest of the statements. So I will explain one program. Here I written one code using continuous statement. Okay, see here, same using while. So first one is the initialization. Here I initialize I variable with one value. Here check the condition, 1 less than or equal to 6. In this case the condition is true. Okay, so enter into a while loop. Here I perform the modular operation. 1 modular 2 means condition is true or false. 1 modular 2. 1 modular 2 double equal to 0. Here condition is true or false. 1 modular 2. 2 into 0 0. So remainder 1. 1 double equal to 0. Condition is true or false. 1 modular 2 means here the value will become, the modular value will become 1 here. Remainder 1. 1 double equal to 0. Comparison. Compare two values. Both are equal? No. In this case 1 double equal to 0. Here the condition false. Okay. So we will skip the continuous statement. Then print the value. I value. So what is I value here? Already we initialized in the first step, that is a 1. 1 will be printed. After that we incremented. This is a post incrementation. First print the value, then after that increment the I value. I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. So now the updated value of I is 2. Okay. After execution of this CO statement, perform the update operation, then goes to the condition section. So now the updated value of I is 2. 2 less than 6. Condition is true. Right? 2 less than 6. 2 is less than 6. Condition is true. Then enter into a while loop. Again here written condition 2 modular 2. What is the value of 2 modular 2? 2 into 0, 0. Or 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. So what is the remainder here? 2 modular 2. 2 modular 2. Remainder will be 0. Numerator is 2. Denominator is 2. Perform the division operation. The modular always gives the remainder value. Here I value will be 2. Numerator and denominator value will be 2. Perform the division operation. 2 by 2. What is the remainder? Respond anyone. 0 0. Very good. 0 0 double equal to 0. 0 double equal to 0. Condition is true or false? Here the condition is true. If the condition is true, then the immediate statement will be continue. Continue means here the condition is true. Continue means it goes to the next iteration. It goes to the next iteration. It will skip the cout statement. Okay, it will not print I value. 2 will not be printed, but it will update the I value. Okay, it will update the I value, but it skip the cout statement. Okay, so previous I value will be 2. Then I written I plus plus 2. What is the next iteration? 3. I value become 3. 3 less than 6. Condition true. Then enter into a loop. 3 modular 2. What is the remainder? 3 modular 2. Numerator is 3. Denominator is 2. 1. Very good. 1 double equal to 0, condition is true or false? 1 double equal to 0, condition is comparison, false. False means we should execute cout statement. So here cout, what is I value? 3. 3 will be printed. Again perform the update operation. So previous value 3, now I plus plus means that value will be 4. 4 less than 6. Again go to the condition section. 4 less than 6. Condition is true. Enter into a loop. Here again 4 modulo 2. Numerator is 4. Denominator is 2. Then what is the remainder? 4 by 2. What is the remainder? 0. Very good. 0. Oh, very good. 0 double equal 0 means condition true or false? In if statement condition is true, then we will not execute the cout statement. It will go to the next iteration. Next iteration means I equal to 5. Okay, 5 less than 6. Condition true. 5 modulo 2 means what is the remainder? 5 modulo 6. Sorry, 5 modulo 2. Numerator 5, denominator 2. So remainder will be 1. 1 double equal 0. 1 double equal to 0 means condition is here false. So cout will be executed. So what is I value? 5. 5 will be printed. Okay. Next, increment I value. Now I will be 6. 6 less than 6. Here condition is false. Then come out of the while loop. So it will execute the next cout statement out of the loop. It is clear. In the break statement, we will terminate the we will come out of the while loop when the condition is true. But in case of continue, it will go to the next iteration. It will not execute the rest of the statement. Okay. So this is a break and continue. Next one is the go to statement. So generally the go to statement is nothing. This is also known as jump statement. We can jump from one place to another place within a program by using this go to statement. Okay. So here the syntax is go to label. The label is nothing but it is an identifier. What is the identifier? Generally, identifier is nothing but name of the variable. It may contain strings also. Okay. Identifier nothing but variables. Okay. This is the syntax. We will use the go to keyword followed by some label name. So now we will see the one example program here. I am going to print the largest of two numbers by using go to statement. Okay. For that purpose, I declare two variables n comma k, but n is initialized with 6 value and k value I will enter during the runtime. Okay. I am going to print the largest number of two numbers. Okay. First one already I entered. I assigned n equal to 6. First value already I given. Second value I am giving during the runtime. Enter n value, that is k. I will enter. Next, compare. So if n greater than 6, I'm using here go to statement. Suppose if n greater than 6, then here it will go to the path 1. I written one label here. So go to label 1. Generally we will write if statement, else statement. Generally we will write like that. But here instead of writing statements, I am using go to control statement. I am jumping from here if statement to some other place within a program. Okay. Suppose if the condition is true, I am going to execute path 1. So I written somewhere in a program. Okay. So here see the output. Here I entered k value is 6. So what is the n value? N value 6, k value will be 3. So check the condition. N value will be 6. 6 greater than 3. 6 greater than 3 is condition true or false? 6 greater than 3. Condition is obviously true. Then what is the immediate statement I written after if? Go to path 1. Then the controller go to the label of the statement. Where I written label? Path 1 here. The controller directly goes to the path 1 label. It will print the largest number is n. What is the n value? 6. Okay. Suppose if you give different number also, suppose if you 1, if you give the 1, then 1 greater, okay, suppose assume that here I give n value will be 6, sorry 1, 1 greater than k, then in this case condition is false, means generally we will go to the else part, but here I written else part. What is the n value? 1. 1 is not more than 3, right? It is clear. So go to statement is used to jump from one place to another place within a program. Okay, so but it is not good habit to use the go to statement. It is try to avoid using go to statements in your programs. Okay, so you have any doubts, please post in the chat box regarding this previous week and this week classes. Otherwise we will start the programming part. I uploaded already 2-3 programs, switch case and while do while. Shall we start the test letter activities? Do you have any doubts? Please respond in chat box. Girls and boys. So for you only no doubts. There are 290 members I think. So Bhavana no doubts. Okay, Shankar no doubts. Programs. Okay, I will activate programs. So you are going to execute while, do while, switch case programs and continue and break also. Yeah, already I shared PPT. You are from which section, ma, Siddharth? Which section? ITP. Already I forwarded to your CR. Did not received. Recent PPT. Actually, this PPT also I forwarded. Go to means we are jumping from one place to another place. Okay, that is a jump statement actually. If means directly we can check the condition and we can execute the immediate statement. Okay. That's why these are called as jumping statements. Continue, break and go to statements. But we are not writing any conditional statements in go to. Okay. Each statement is a selective or a decision statement. Based on decision, we are executing the statement. It may be a else part or it may be if part. Okay. Recent classes PPT. Already I shared last class only. Karthik, which class you are? D or E, F, G, I, T. Which section? F. Okay. Who is your CR? You did not receive. Yes, yes. 1 second, I will check the numbers also. So now you are going to execute simple programs. I will activate one practice lab. All of you execute simple programs. Print 1 to 10 numbers using while, for loop and do while. Okay. After that I will, yeah, yes, I forwarded every PPT also. Surya Teja. Okay, you don't have these control structures. Okay, I will share. Okay. So now I'm going to activate the practice lab. You must have to execute control statements. Okay. all of you do the programs. First practice lab is for executing the simple programs using control statements while do while for loop. Okay. Okay, no problem. I will send to your class teacher today. CSCF. You are from CSCF. Your CR is there in class now. CR. Can I show the program or you can able to do the program yourself in practice lab? Simple programs. Please anyone respond. Can I show the programs or you can already started? I started the quiz 3 programs also. Okay. You try first one. No grade mark for practice lab. It is for only practice purpose. Okay. CSCD section. Do you have any doubts, ma? D section students, girls and boys. You are from D section. Okay. Okay, very good. F section. Sorry, E section. E section. Do you have any dots? Did you receive the PPT, operators and pointers and control structures? Practice lab only, it is not graded test. I activated one more switch statement or switch case program, that is graded test. Okay. Quiz is not activated. First you have to complete. Only operators you received. Okay. You are from CSE, right? Quiz is not activated. Complete the switch case program, that is graded. Okay. And perform the practice lab. Find the factorial of a given number using while loop. From next week onward, you have activities for each and every session. Okay, it may be a quiz or it may be a program. Mom, could you please repeat the question once? Find the factorial of a given number. I will type. Very good. All got 100 grade for break statement. Any dots? Dinesh, Abhiram, Pujita, Shivani, Jashwant, Rohan, Vaishnavi, Sneha, Anyone completed Prisma? Activated quiz? Please respond in chat box. Suryateja, completed your quiz? Shankar, Dinesh, no ma'am. Okay. So just now I activated quiz also. Do you have any doubts regarding programs? One program is switch case. Check whether the given letter is vowel or not, vowel or consonant. Okay. You should not write the cases. Already main everything is written. You should not write the cases only for that one. In practice lab, try to execute simple programs. Okay.